What's up guys, this is ucallbs and I am with my friend Joseph86. And today we are going to show you guys the biggest rape train I have ever seen in Call of Duty Zombies. We pretty much just circled the whole map, look at all the scenery. We passed a lot of perks on the way. Right now I already have 3. My camcorder kept messing up, so we ended up just starting at around 12. But anyways, I already have 3 perks. But anyways, you run through the courthouse after you go into the candy shop. Then also you can stop right here and just sit here and perk.
Perks on our way. We got Juggernaut who provides
And also, if you guys want, you guys can toss some grenades and just take off running. The zombies will just blast themselves.
And yeah, before you die, we like to put our money in the bank so we can go play again and have a bunch of money. Then you rank up points like crazy.
Running through the house. We alternate. I start shooting. As soon as I have to reload, he starts shooting. I end up getting hit somehow. I lag pretty bad. For some reason. But anyways, we run through the house. Get our perk. I end up getting my 5th perk. Get this 4th perk. If you guys did not know, you guys can destroy that. Well, there's also another one you have to destroy, and then you can teleport back up to the top. So we end up leaving here because we lost all of our points. There's no reason for us to stay. So we slide back down. Finally figured out I had meal cake. I ended up getting like this. But luckily he threw a monkey at the right time. Let me get lucky with the fire fail.
And you got like 6 perks,
and then finally get back on our rape train. Then we go through the house again, take up another swing because he's going to get pack-up points. Come on, I see a bird talking, and I get through there, but he doesn't, but I end up waiting for him. Somehow I get hit, but you're not moving to the end. It's fine if I replay. Got up losing my points, and he ends up keeping his. So we end up chilling out here, trying to get our my 6th perk.
no.
I think I'm gonna do something cool here. Just do a little house. We're in here for probably 20 minutes. Do something. So if you end up chilling out here for a little bit, trying to figure out how to get to the bag of lunch. Yeah, we end up losing a lot of ammo here because we get trapped. Luckily, we finally find a max ammo. As soon as we find a max ammo, we don't really care. We're going for it. So I'm sitting back, reloading all my weapons.
I'm just up there, Norman. And he told me to reload my hammer, so I did.
We look back here, and it is about rape train time. Picking up some ammo. Keep jumping like a little idiot, trying to figure out how to get through. Speed it up, please, guys. I end up pack-a-punching the Remington Army, and it becomes a sassafras. It's actually really good. We get out of here with almost no problem once we finally figure out where we're at. I lose him and then I come back, run through the house again. Clean up just a little bit. Well, we are looking for more people for zombies in our clan called MK48. It's ran by my brother XX2, X2012, XX. Yes, he loves X's, but he still loves chicks. But anyways, you guys can message me, say MK48 or zombies, try out or something. But you guys show me you guys are good. But anyways, I'm going to make another video called part 2 because I'm almost out of time on this recording. So I will catch you guys on the next video. Again, this is BS Gaming, XBL. Make sure you like and subscribe. Peace.